Up above the clouds, Luna watches in wonder as the sky begins to change. The clouds grow thick and heavy. Tiny drops of water, once floating high above, have gathered together until suddenly, a single raindrop falls, sparkling in the light. Then another and another. Rain! It tumbles down from the sky, landing on forests, fields, and rivers below. Each drop brings life to flowers, to trees, to every little thing. Luna twirls through a puddle, laughing. Professor Fee swirls his misty hands, tracing where the water will go next. Down to the ground, then back to the sky. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The water cycle, nature's quiet dance. And as the rain fades, sunlight breaks through the clouds. A rainbow stretches wide above them. Luna stares in awe. Professor Fee smiles. Magic, science, and a little bit of rain.